New Omar Apollo album just dropped. It's called Apolonio. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Up Amazing. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So this entire song uses a single riff. So to start, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and you're going to pluck it once. Next, you're going to bar the E and B string on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to hammer on to the 4th fret of the B string with your ring finger. Then you're going to lift your ring finger and strum the B and high E string again. Then we're going to go to the 2nd fret of the low E string, and we're going to pluck that once. Then you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the G string and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the B string, and you're going to hammer on to the 3rd fret of the G string with your ring finger. Then you're going to lift your ring finger and strum the G and B strings one more time. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for I'm Amazing. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.